What's up, influential family? Welcome back to Cooking with Influential Talent. So today I'm going to be trying pull it up, Arnold's new keto bread. Alright. So this product stood out to me because I'm trying to watch my carbs with my body type and having a goal of losing some weight. One of the things I noticed is that I have to cut back on carbs. So I'm gonna try this, and I've got some chicken salad already pre-made. It's gonna be a cold meal today for the Sabbath. So I'm gonna try this out and let's see how it goes. I just want to see if it tastes good. Is it comparable to bread with more carbs? Arnold, the regular version, they've got different ones that I like. So let's see if this compares and stands up to it. I will say it's heavier. It's a lot denser than normal. It's supposed to have more fiber, 8 grams of fiber and 3 net carbs. It's much denser, but it's still soft. Got my chicken salad, some jalapenos. I love a good spice, so put these on there. That looks good. I feel like I'm missing something though. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. Alright, so I got some tomatoes here. I got them pre-chopped. Sometimes I like to take shortcuts to help me out with time management. I have fun cutting vegetables and cooking, but sometimes I just need a faster route to the finish line. Ooh, that looks good to me. That's what the bread looks like, guys. Alright guys, let's try it. So the sandwich overall is good. It's really good. The bread itself, let me try to isolate the flavors because it has more of like a wheat taste. Like a pasty kind of fibery taste to it. So as a whole, it's good. With all the other ingredients by itself, it tastes like it's lacking butter, like some sort of like butter flavor that you might get from the normal version. But other than that, it's really soft when you bite into it. Yeah, it's really soft and spongy. I like that about it. I'd be curious to see how it is toasted. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna try this new Sanwich. It's barbecue. Hope you can see that. It's bourbon barbecue. And I'm gonna make this with that, but I'm gonna step it up a notch and toast it. So I'm gonna let you guys know how this bread is toasted, and of course I might add some butter at that point, so it should be a little better. But yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy my meal and check back with you guys later. Let's go. I'm doing something right.